Good evening. It's February 13th, the day before Valentine. It's one of these days again because my intro is not working, my news intro. Now let's start the show. Let's see if this intro is working. Welcome back. Let's put some reverb on the voice here. So what are we going to do today? I think it was like Patch Tuesday again today, because I got all these updates and reboots and things. And let's go to the code window there. Let's start my GitHub. Well, let's first check if my website is working again. www.softsoftware.com. So last Tuesday, my virtual machine was again stopped while we are were live streaming midnight. Even though I delayed the restart, the shutdown. So I finally got my website back up and running. So what was the issue? The issue was that even though I had set my deployment to self-contained, how do you say that? It was set to 32 bits instead of 64. So I'm not sure what the impact of that. That resulted in that the DLL was not loading for some reason, and that kicked in the CORS, the cross-origin blocker. So all kinds of issues there, but I think it's now back up and running. Gear is still available, the database backend, the about still working, and it's now set to 8.0.1. So today I think we go to have a look at the Office add-ins again. Let's go to GitHub. And clone samples. My pull request was submitted, so have a look at the open pull requests of the closed pull requests. Then we should see mine there. And was accepted and pushed in. So that's good. So now I want to have a look at the issue posted by Raul. This one, debugging Blazor add-in project. That's a big thread over here. Did test the Blazor add-in template 8.0. This is what I also got, by the way. What was the reason for that? I have to dive deep in my memory there. I think it was because the 8.0. Oh, that's the reason. I think the 8.0 .NET version is not installed because it was based on the prefix. Why is my audio crackling? Oh, and what's with the title there? Let's fix that quickly. Title header, pick that. Okay. That should restart the ticker. If I'm correct. There it is. That's better. Also, I see that the starter thing is not right. Why is my audio peaking? Let's turn the voice a little bit lower. Yeah, I was looking at the title over here. But that's good, I fixed that. Back to the screen. So I updated that. That resulted by the 8001 not available. This is test. Thanks for your blah blah blah. I confirm now that I confirm you that now I can see breakpoints in C# from GitHub. Office add-in samples main with the latest version of Visual Studio 22. And .NET 6, that's .NET 6. It occurred with an unharmful advertisement from WebAssembly Diagnostics saying .NET debugger set debugger property was not found. However, with my project I still cannot see breakpoints in C#. This project is derived from the Excel Blazor add-in template with perhaps a previous version and using .NET 8. Let's see, where did he put a link to this project? This should have been automatically marked stale. It don't matter for me. It's a regular user. Right click on inspect. Task pane does open in Chrome. I tend to spend time to solve this. Debugging Blazor add-in project. Is that a different one? Oh, that is this one. Yeah, that's the same. And the .NET invoke method async function disabled with .NET 7 release candidate. Issue has been organized stale again. Then he pushes a refresher in there. I've created a new branch where I'll try to resolve the items mentioned in Fiverr Blank, something like that. That's no longer what it is, but that's probably no longer working anymore. Submitted pull request. This is the pull request for debugging. And for that, the changes in there were like so. Once browser to false. Then something added in there. That's the Outlook version. Let's keep that open here. to this. Thank you for commitment. Sorry for the late response. Blah blah blah. Thank you for your answer. And confirm that I now can see breakpoints with the Excel Blazor template from GitHub Zedins with the latest version of your studio. Occurs with an unharmful advertisement from Microsoft WebAssembly Diagnostics, the DevTools proxy saying .NET debugger set debugger property was not found. However, with my project I can still not see the breakpoint. I did test the Excel Blazor and templated in with 8 fails to complement with the following message. Yeah, that's I think missing the framework. Now the question is, where is his repo? Excel Webin with the Office 365 E3 developer license. URL of sample. Is that our sample? Now this is the sample by Raul. Let's see if he has more. This JavaScript interaction. Let's see what branches are more available here. TypeScript. Excel Blazor, JavaScript, ribbon. July 3rd. So let's go into this one. Or should we pick this one? Library manager, interesting. So let's clone this. Copy. Make a new folder in here. 2024-02-13 today. CMD. Git clone. CD Blazor, WebAssembly. Solution, JavaScript, interaction, Blazor and .NET 6. question is, what is this thing doing? The release notes, we have release notes for 17.9 installed today. Debug without visual interruptions. A lot of changes there. Let's have a look at the Solution Explorer there. In here. Let's have a look at the project. Let's make that 8. And then save. Then also upgrade the new GA packages, NuGet packages. Updates. We have 2 updates. Select all. Oh, we're now to 02. Update. Apply. Accept. Why didn't it accept this one? Okay. That's interesting. It's not even okay, it's not an Office add-in. So what's this doing? Just getting client and what's in the page. Index.razor. Blazor school example. Demonstrate how to interact with JavaScript in Blazor WebAssembly. Oh, let's just see what this is doing. What happened there? Profile. Trying to remove Blazor DOM. Not sure what this is doing. Localhost 1518. Oh, there it is. Really? Demonstrate how to interact with JavaScript, Blazor. And why is the debugger not breaking? Let's check if the debugger info is available. Stop this. That's this one. Blazor app URL. I wonder if you create a new Blazor WebAssembly thing, if that's providing the same information. Let's try that. Let's build a new project here. Blazor. Both server-side is not what we want. WebAssembly standalone. This one. Next. Make that 13. This is the WebAssembly. WebAssembly standalone. Next. Long-time support. No authentication. Configure for HTTPS. Yes, sure. Include sample pages. Yes. Let's create that. Let's see what's in the project by default. Nothing special. So this is the user file. It's interesting that this one is set outside the user file. Don't think we have that in here. We do. So that's different compared to what you see in here. Copy. That's interesting. So what happens if we put that in there? Take this one out. And this is no longer 79.6. think it's, well, let's just have a look. 7155. Now let's first keep the original one. To see what that will do by default. Hit F5. Let's see if there's a C# thingy there. Is it something like the builder? Let's break on the builder. That's the home page. There's no code in the home page. There's code in the C# thingy there. Building. What's that profile thing that's happening? Clicking. Okay, but oh, this sits in a break. That's also breaking, so that's good. You put the break on this, that should break as well. Yes, it is. Good. That all seemed to work. Stop debugging, yes. Now let's get back to Raoul's thingy there. If program, do the same thing. Break on the builder. There's some code in here. Local method. Not really sure what's happening here. Let's first try it out. 15, 50, 18. All C#. That works. That works. Not sure if that did something. That worked. This one's not working. Let's see. That works. Handle tuple. That works. That's not working. Works. Gonna perform runtime binding on a null reference. That's co-locate. Try to remove Blazor DOM. One mistake. Calling loop. One mistake. Blocks the UI, I think. Oh, yeah. That's an interesting page. So now let's get back to the, why is there no ads there? It doesn't exist. So it's not a Blazor thing, apparently. Go to definition, that's the one. Let's close this. Don't save. Let's go back there. Let's keep that open. So what I want to do here is go back into the command line. See the data repos. 2024-02-13. Go to the official repo there. Clone that. Copy. What I also want to do is test, cd test, go to my own repo, offset these samples, it's my fork, go to branch, this one. Four commits ahead, 10 behind. Can't automatically merge. Don't worry, you still can create a pull request. That's mine. Going to main. Let's just clone this one. Probably need to delete branch again. Let's have a look. Code. What's it? Oh, this is not mine. Should go to mine. That's fork, yeah. Go to this one. And copy that. Git clone. Oh. CD Office, CD samples, CD Blazor or something, yeah. CD Excel, let's open that. Update this a bit to .NET 8. It's already on 8. Which branch? Oh, this is not the right branch. Close this. Git. What's the name of the branch there? fvstam dot blazor dot adding dot commands. Git checkout. So, solution. Yeah, this one is pointing to 6. Save that. That's the manifest file. And check out new J packages. Here, go here, right click, new J packages. It should show some updated versions there. Was there a bang? I think there's always a bang. ASP.NET WebAssembly, dev server, WebAssembly, JavaScript interop. Okay. Update. Apply. Accept. Now let's check the debugger version. That's not the one. Where was it? Pull requests, closed ones. Then find debug. No debug. Redirect, remove inside a program requirement. Redirect. Redirect, redirect, redirect. Next. Where did it go? Come on. Open this one, the official. Pull requests. Username. David Chestnut. Yeah. Where did he put the debug thing? Here. No, that's not the one. Debugging. Let's see if the link was in here. There. This is the one I was looking for. Office Dev. Blazor samples debug config. What is this change? Oh, they only changed for the Blazor function, Blazor application. So let's check this for Excel. Outlook. Excel side loader. That's the one. This is set to the side loader. Okay, copy. Wow. Generate feature ID, package ID, module ID, list ID, product ID. Apparently that's no longer necessary. Generate client secret. Something like that. 7287 looks good. Should be good already. Let's first try and run this. It's updated now to 8002. 802, I should say. 5. Custom tab table. Let's go into the debugger first. Program. Let's see if that's stopping there. We have pages, hello world. Like in here. And we have the one in JavaScript. Started from scratch, don't save. F5. Got it. That's breaking. That's also breaking. After render async. going to press the button there. Let's clear this. Clear all. Click the button. And it's breaking there as well. 5. And it puts something in there. Took some time to load apparently. Create table. Create bubble chart. That's also working. And we're running 802 here. Now let's have a look at this one here. This kicks in the task pane. Function 1. Something's kicking in here again. New Blazor heading. Now its color is red. I think function 2 and function 3 are non-functional. No. Hello Scott. I have hello Scott in my text in here. Not sure where that's in. Scott. It is, yeah. So what happened here if we click this one? Like this, delete this all. Oh. Delete sheet. Now it's yellow. So once it's loaded, then it's working. So if I close this, run it again. There's the task pane. Oh. Close that. Let's terminate that. It's still active. Clear all. So it is triggering the thing again. It's a new instance. Then it's working. You have to click twice. where this hello thingy is coming from. There. That is interesting because the invocable thing is only loaded after the second click. Try to find out where the function file is triggered. That should be this one. Yellow. And if it's not yellow, then it will be red, I think. Demonstrates function with the following line. Highline selection. See if we can get a break on that. Highlight selection, that's the top one. This one. Implement your custom code here. The following code is Excel example. Running highlight selection. And then it's trying to do the yellow one. Yeah. Static local component in method init. Then get selected the range and then make it red. There's a Scott from Blazor. What did it do there? Nothing. Oh. Go to this one again. Put some more breakpoints in there. Let's have a look. Clear all. Nothing. Where's the breakpoint? Now it will turn red. Yes. That's the highlight selection. Then it go to the static. Red again. Is it now looping? No, now it's yellow. Copy. Let's put it in here. There it is. So this is what happens. Running highlight selection. Running highlight selection. This is the first one. Is that only happening twice? Then before calling static something, that's this one. Then it says in call local component. That's this one. Where's that text? Here, that's this text. Then after this one. Then it says in it. That's part of this one. Is it? Is that the only one? It is. So how did it end up twice in there? Because it says running highlight selection again. Or is that caused by this one? No. Let's try it again. Highlight selection. Go in here. Fin in it. I think this is because it's going async. Interesting. So what is happening here? This is the one that's initialized by this one. Let's stop the complete one. Do we even see this one go by? F5. There's the task pane. That's initializing Blazor. That's the main page. Now it's starting a new one. Now it's loading the Blazor function. That's true because it's only triggered when the button is pressed. But you would expect the shared runtime. Then it associates the highlight selection thing. And then it stops. So the second time, continue. I have to do it again because I think I was interfering with something. There's the one. Let's close this again. So in the manifest file here, there should be something like function file URL. Remote app URL functions. Oh, this is a different one. Oh no, this is the one. What? Oh, that's not the one. Functions. Oh, but functions is this one. That's redirected by the routing. That's good. So basically this one can go away. That's interesting. So let's delete that. Let's delete that. Because this one is adopted by Blazor. So the manifest is pointing to, where is it? There. Manifest is pointing this to the function page. This will go to the index URL. Shared runtime, OfficeJS. Configure your Office add-in to use a shared runtime. Shared runtime is only supported in some Office applications. For more information, see shared runtime requirement sets. And that's for Excel, shared runtime 1.2, shared runtime 1.1. Shared 1.2 is only supported in Excel. Shared runtime adds the Office before document close notification, which helps to ensure that workbooks don't close while an add-in process is running. That's interesting. So let's read a bit through this. Create an add-in project, configure a manifest, configure Webpack config. I don't have a Webpack config. Test your Office add-in changes, runtime lifetime, shared runtime. Create the Office add-in, that's what we already have. Then configure a manifest, start OfficeJS manifest. And it says requirements default min version. Oh, where's my project? There. No, that's not my project. There's my project. It's a bit hard to read in here. There. We have hosts. Requirements. Then we have shared runtime. Because we are in Excel, we can use actually 1.2. Requirements set default min version 1.1.1. Shared runtime 1.2. Min version. Yeah. Find the version override section. Version overrides. Version overrides there. There we have the that's interesting because I put the task pane URL in there. Host nodes. Each host can have a different set of commands. Excel host is a workbook Work blah blah blah. Make sure the host is your override matches the host declared in the top select section manifest. Workbook, runtime, resource ID, task pane URL. Let's see, what does it say over here? Find the version override section and the following runtime section. The lifetime needs to be long. Yeah. So that your add-in can run even when the task pane is closed. The resource ID value is task pane URL, which references the task pane HTML file location specified in the URL section near the bottom of the manifest XML file. The shared runtime won't load if the resource ID uses different values in the manifest. If you change the value to something other than taskpane URL, be sure to also change the value in all locations in the following steps in this article. Also, the runtimes section must be entered after the host element in the exact order shown the following XML. So what it actually says in here, go to the top again, it says shared runtime. Let's see, for an Excel, PowerPoint, the requirement section, be sure to remove the custom functions runtime requirement if it's present. Custom functions runtime requirement. Custom functions runtime requirement. If it is present. Okay. Update the requirements section to include the shared runtime. Be sure to remove the custom functions runtime requirement if it's present. XML should appear as follows. Shared runtime. We have the Excel API dialog and the add-in commands. Then find the version overrides. Version overrides. Add the following runtime section. The lifetime needs to be long. It needs to be the task pane URL. Task pane URL, where is the task pane URL? Here. Desktop function file, that should be task pane. Save. If you generated an Excel add-in with custom functions, find the page element. Then change the source location from functions page to task pane URL. Page. There's no page in here. Oh. That's interesting because I would expect something like Not sure what this is. This is new, I think. Find the function. Custom function. A custom function, that is functions in the Excel file. If you have something basically on your Excel cell, and do something like equals and then perform a function. And then find the function file tag and change the resource ID from commands URL to task pane URL. So this is should also be task pane. Copy. Save. Find the function file tag and change the resource ID from commands.url to taskpane URL. Note that if you don't have action commands, you won't have a function file entry. Save manifest. Then what it configures here is webpack config.js will build multiple runtime loaders. You need to modify it to load only the shared runtime via the taskpane HTML, but we don't have that. npm run build, npm run build. Is there an option to use the Fish Studio somewhere? If you're starting a new project, use Yeoman generator. But that's not really what I'm looking for. You can use different options. Generator. Shared runtime. Let's see what's happening if we do this. That thing is loaded now. Starting Blazor. Kicking in the home page, that's this one. Close the task pane. Custom task pane. Nothing happens. Even if we click twice, it's not working. Is it? It's nothing working. The reason for that, I think, is because the URL is not loading now. Because right now there's no way that Office knows where to find the functions. This one's not found, I guess. Function name. execute function or show task pane. Is the show task pane working? That one is working. I think that has to do because the fact of the function file is not the right one. Oh. We have a desktop, that's basically the task. Oh no, that's the functions thing. Then we have the task pane URL. Oh. Function file. I think this one should be the other one. Copy. So let's say the thing starts in here. It goes through the host requirement set. It says shared runtime 1.2. Then the default location will be the index page. Then the runtime for the workbook is the task pane one. Yeah. Then the one this should be the functions file, if you ask me. Stop this. Bing Maps? Why doesn't it say Bing Maps? Change that to execute. Why is that? Lower caps. Execute function. And it also lowered the. That's better. 5. There's the first one. Then after render, that's the home page. Got it. We get a function there. Yeah, it's starting something, but it's not doing the it keeps on running. So maybe we need to turn it around. Make the function file the loader. So instead of the task pane URL, copy. Show task pane. That's the loader of the task pane itself. So let's make this one the main loader. So this would be the runtime, long runtime. That should also kick in the Blazor function. And this is the show task pane item. Let's kick this in and see what's happening. Kicks it in again. Now it's doing it. So let's open the original sample there. Where would it be? Samples, adding commands here. There's no solution here. Yes, trust it. Learn how to build the office in commands, blah blah blah. Let's have a look at the manifest over here. Oh, close this. URL. Learn more. Function files, the commands. And where is the commands? There. It's loading that. Commands URL. So that's basically the full page for the HTML where the JavaScript file is at. This one. That points to that should not be necessary because this is loaded already. That's loaded in the index file. That's basically where everything starts. Save. Let's see. So this is already loaded at the root item. There, this one. There's also the framework for Blazor. Can we close this? Where is this? Where is this? There. Oh, there's a functions file that was disabled. That was the reason why I did this in there. This one. That's basically this one. So in this case, the manifest URL for the functions is this commands. Then it's pointing to the HTML. Let's go to the localhost version. That's this one. There's the full path in there. That should be like a remote URL, and then because you might wonder, why would you put a Blazor thing instead of this one? So if we put that in same way as the other one, because there's nothing in here, I think. Yeah, there's nothing other than redirecting it, and it's loading this one. The question is, can you address this one? Let's turn this around into this one, the functions file. Let's go into the manifest here. If we look at this one, commands URL, setting that to the functions file, that will be like remote app URL functions file. Well, actually, it says that it should have commands HTML, something like so. Copy, add new item, functions, function file .html. But we don't need this one because that's already in there somewhere. Loaded by the index. That should be function file. .js, yeah. And it has no body. No body? No body. It has no body. I killed my news audio thing. So that's set to commands URL. Twice function file. Oh, this we need to finish this. Function file .html. Save. Something happened here already. What is that? Create hotel logger telemetry. Okay. That's not working. So let's go back to, let's stop this first. Let's use hosts, and we don't have a shared runtime in here. I think function file is that one. Function file. That's one. That's the desktop function file URL. That's not what I want. It is. The question is that the one? This should be the task pane. So we said that the shared runtime will be the task pane URL again. Functions need to be running from desktop function file. It's this one. That's it. The thing is, I think this is a separate loader. And there's an office already in here, but that's also somewhere else. That's the right value. It's this one. And this is already. That's in the here. This one, the module, where's that loaded? Module. That's automatically loaded by Blazor. So what if we move the functions to let's try running once more. Save this. Output clear. 5. Get a task pane and it's loading Blazor. We get a task pane. Let's see what we have in here. Development before start. That's in the Blazor function. We're now hosting an Excel on Office is ready. Application will build in 3 tables. Smaller if you install Wasm tools. Control debugging hotkeys Shift Alt Delete. And Shift Alt D. The application has focus. We're now entering after started. That's also in here. This one. Hit on after rendering. Send telemetry. On ready. The on ready says we are in Excel. We have the platform PC. We have visibility mode hidden. And we have shared time runtime true. data test. Launch hidden action. App command action. And then nothing, but we also haven't clicked the page yet. Clear all. Let's go here, there. Now the function is not loaded at all, is it? Index React. Interesting. So the function file is not loading right now. And I think the reason for that is that this file is not found as the remote URL. Function file. This one. Oh, there's an error in there. Function file. Maybe it would be nice if that would give an error message there. Office is not defined at. It's complaining about Office in here, I think. Office. Yeah. But the reason for that is that it did not wait for the. Let's close that. Clear all. Let's run that again. Close this. Don't save. Let's try that again. F5. That's the heading. Now let's see what's in here again before start. Ready. After started. And sends in the telemetry. Sneaky thing. Clear all. Loading function file JavaScript.js. Then it says Office files not defined. So it looks like the commands are completely separate runtime. Apparently that's not in the shared worker either, so that explains that. That means that we need to do something similar as the other one. Copy this, clone this, stop this, I mean. And then we have to look at the other one. Where is it? Here. So that means, but I'm not sure if that's true, we'll get a separate item of the JavaScript API thing, copy, and it will be an isolated location. Then in the function file itself, it actually needs the onReady again, copy. And this one will be get global. Why is the get global in there? The G, where's the G used? Event completed. There's the event completed at least. Not sure why this is in here, but let's adapt that as well. Run this and see what's happening. So got it. There's the task pane. And now it's red. .NET's not defined. So how did it define .NET in here? Yeah, the reason for this is that let's see. The .NET, this one is not working because .NET is not part of the Blazor function. So this is the other way around. It's trying to start the C# thingy there. So we don't want this one. So if you want to do just JavaScript items in here, you can do that like so. If you want to address Blazor functions in here, by just calling the JavaScript runtime, so this shit still needs to go, delete. Delete. Oh, we need to stop that. Stop that. And throw that out again. Throw that out. Now go back to the manifest file. .url. So the runtime is, the shared runtime will be the taskpan URL. Function file is the desktop URL. Show task pane, showing the task pane URL. This should be Blazor. Now functions. And for the shared runtime, go here, go up. We say that this is shared runtime. Then that's defined by taskpan URL. And then it's the execute function. So it's trying to resolve this one from within this environment. So to initialize this one, we also should put that in here, I would say. that's not true. It's already. I think I generated, where is it? Something in here as well. So in this case, let's see what's in the other one here. Blazor add-in lib module. That's not in this one because we defined that specifically for the office environment. And the office is ready here. Ping, type ping. File change detected, yeah. Clear all. Let's try doing this again. Load the task pane and the Blazor environment. Now the main page is triggered. This one. Hello button. That's working. But if we go in here, this is also working. But if we do something like so, it will kick in a new Blazor environment with a new onReady there. It's not shared at all. And it's associating it, but it's not running it. Can force it in there basically if we let's try that. Don't save. Question is that loaded every time? So if instead of doing so, not only associating it, but I'm also going to run it, because the Blazor function should be where's the manifest here? So this is a function. I could say, well, let's sneak that in. Not sure if that's fancy or not. Yeah, come on. Did break, but did not put it up front. So that's working. So now let's go in here and do this. Kicking in a new Blazor. Oh, oh. Wait a minute. I have to clear my cache again. Stop it. Local update. Microsoft Office 16. Which one was it? This one. Remote cache. So if I kill I think it was this one. Let's run F5. See if it brings back the cache. Oh, something happens. Why did that jump to full screen all of a sudden? Why is it missing the line there? I thought I saved this one. This one was saved. So, oh, what's this? F5. Now let's go in here, inspect, then go to the app cache. there's no page open. Copy. Oh, what? Oh. Why does it change that? Where's the cache for that thing? Stop this. Oh, oh yeah. Yeah, there's the one. That's working, but what's the error message in here? Cannot read properties, something. So it is actually working. But that means that we, for each of the functions, we need a different thing. What's the uncaught type error thing? Who causes that? Blazor function file eraser 2611. 11. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. works. Oh, was it already error? I think it comes from this one. Self Windows 16.01 dynamic. So that's from preview. I don't see a name there. Afakadugi. Thanks for the follow. Why is my banner not showing your name? That's strange. Well, thanks for following. Let's run it again. Once more. 5. Clear this one. 5. Loading the Blazor file. It's this one. It's doing the Excel thingy. Good. Still good. Still good. Oh. Okay. And once more. That's the wrong F5. It's my F5 on my other window. Clear this again. Should be good. Clear this. It's line 15. Still good. Still good. Completed. Still good. Oh, there it goes. So it's after this one. Then it returns to somewhere here. So it looks like this one is failing or not. Does it mean that events does it not exist? It said cannot read properties of undefined, and it's trying to read completed. That's this one. This is not recognized. So what if we just take that out? Now I need to find a way to update the cache again. Five. Let's clean this first. Clean. And rebuild. And run F5. Here comes the task pane. It should go in a break. Yeah. task pane there. Command button. Function. New instance. Still going fine. There it is. If you run it again, it will probably hit the Blazor function again, Blazor web again. It completely kicks in a new engine. Let's make that take out a couple of breaks there. Continue. No errors, so that's good. Gives undefined on event. Kicks in. So this is way slow because it's every time you hit the button it will kick in the engine. So now let's put a second function in there. Let's cancel. Close that. Still working. Probably is because it's kicking a new one in. Yeah. So you might wonder if you, because it doing an interrupt with C#. So you might wonder, is that something you really want to do? Where does the .NET entry here? What happens is it kicks in this C# function for all these things. Wow. C# functions for this one. To do this done. .NET 8. Get functions from Blazor page. That's done. Try code by one line. That's what I did, the isolation of the JavaScript thing, so that can be moved as well. Mix server code with client. That's probably not possible. Server-side components. I wonder if that's possible. We could try it later on. That's working. So it's actually running C# here. So we actually need to think of a C# function that could be useful to put in there. I have to think about that. Think of a good example of a C# function to use here that validates, that makes the use of the Blazor load feasible. At least it seems to work. Save. What I wanted to do here is put a second function in there. So let's see, this is basically this button. That's this button, button 3. Button 3 says function 1 click twice. Function 1. Function 1. That's no longer needed. That's using this. I created all the same, so function label 2 is doing the same. And function label 3 is also doing that. And function label 4 is doing the same. So if I do this, it should also do the same. Yeah. Function 3. Yeah, also working. So now let's make a different one there. Because they all go to functions, if I'm correct. That's not really true. Yeah, that's the annoying thing. Because it doesn't allow us to differentiate. Yeah, now forcing it to put it in here. Let's try this once more. Still running, yes. Click this. Start in here. This is the function that's selected. Yeah, but the reason for that is because this one is triggered. Click. So this one is triggering the function here. Well, it should be triggered by the manifest file. Tricky. Because the only way to differentiate will be if the function URL is defined in here. In here. This will define that the function's page will be loaded. Because this one will route this one. But how do I know what function is called from there? It is working if you click it twice. Let's clear this, clear solution, and kill the WebAssembly, not the WebAssembly. WEF, and rebuild it again. Let's first take the function call out. Then rebuild it. Five. So that's working. Got it. Custom table. It's loading. I guess. No, it's not. Why it's not? Probably is, but we need to do it again. No, that stopped working completely. Go to Blazor functions. Okay. What did change there? Events, maybe? Events completed? Throw the cache out again. Rebuild. Let's put some breaks in again. Save. F5. There's break. Now go to the menu. Function. There we get loading of the Blazor function file. Interesting, it's now behaving different because it's not loading the functions. It doesn't route it anymore. Did it create a change somewhere? This one, functions. Functions. It's the same. It's the function file. Yeah, then watch the button 1. There's button 1. That should be doing this. There's no highlight in here. Before start already. Link a tree. After started. Before start. Already. Loading Blazor function file. Let's see the functions. Why does it say functions? Yeah. That's no longer needed. There's a telemetry thing. That's Blazor. The resource ID functions file. Yeah, that's functions file. So it's trying to go in here. That will redirect to this one. To do so, also loads this one. Time to integrate Stripe payments in my Blazor application straight away. Predicted Stripe something blah blah blah. You can use a new feature Blazor Wasm export use JS export attribute and JS import attribute. And handle your JavaScript modules in .NET, as also you can read documentation here, edited. .NET 8 you can add external JavaScript files in your Razor app component. And pages with script tag. And the compiler no longer gives an error using that. Okay. That's interesting. after render async. Drop calls without a circuit. The body. Inject the script before or after Blazor starts. Use the JavaScript initializer. That's what we already have. Okay, need to do some more investigation on that part. JavaScript 8. Legacy JavaScript initializer before start after start are not invoked by default in the Blazor web app. And enable the legacy initializers by to run. So there's some change in there. Okay, well, let's have a look at that later on. For now, let's see what the changes are here. Some comments are removed. Breakpoint. Return that back. Where is it? Where's the JavaScript file here? Delete that again, save. Renamed some function there. Removed function file. Removed functions and index. Remove the comment. Remove telemetry. So we should also make that comment in here. Where did we put the comment? Here. Restore telemetry. Before PR. .NET 8, we now .NET 8.2. So site loader, custom functions, runtime. Question is that needed? Do we still need in manifest? Show all files. It's a local thing. Save that. We made a little bit of progression on implementing commands. Still not working though. To be continued. I am going to check it in because I wanted to update it to .NET 8 at least. So commit all, sync. Okay, let's close this. Clean the desk a little bit. Then go back to GitHub. Is that the only one? No, this one. Ooh, we have some updates here. Update it next time. Go back to GitHub. Typing today. Maybe I should position my hands on the right position. No, that's not the one. My repositories. Fork. Yeah. So this has a recent push. $651 commits, really? That's something different. Okay, let's wrap it up for today because I have to get up early tomorrow again. Good. I think we made a little bit of progression there on the Office add-ins using the commands, the command buttons. If you haven't done it already, please also think about subscribing on if you're on YouTube or following on Twitch, and Avakadogi already did so today. Thanks for that. Hope to see you, well, almost tomorrow, but I would say Thursday, and we'll continue with this. Thanks for watching and see you in 2 days. Bye bye.